Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hope you're doing well. This video gonna be special. Why?
Why?
Because today we have Subway meatball sauce, such an appetizing food. So stay tuned with me.
We mix minced meat with eggs, breadcrumb, mustard, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, cream cheese, parsley, and the best part, which is the garlic. We should net it for 3 to 4 minutes and leave it aside for 30 minutes. Now it's time to make balls of meat. Whoa, look at the color of that meat. Each meatball should be 80 to 100 grams. Don't forget that we must fry them all around because we don't want it to soften in the sauce. Now we are going to make tomato sauce or marinara sauce. Let's mix chopped onion, and add some garlic and then leave it to fry. Let the tomatoes slowly change into puree and mix it with onion and garlic. Okay. After 15 minutes, we add balsamic vinegar, sugar, oregano, salt, pepper, and chili powder. And after a minute, we add the meatballs in it. Let it stay for 15 minutes. Now it's ready to serve with cheese and chopped basil. Just look at the color. You can see Italy in it.
So now we can make flavorful meatballs. If you find this video useful and interesting, please like and subscribe. See you next time.